Welcome back to the lab. Today I want to simply discuss patch 4.0 for the PlayStation Portal, install it, and try it out. Let's clock in, guys. Let's go. Welcome back to the lab. Today I want to simply discuss patch 4.0 for the PlayStation Portal. Install it, try it out. So let's clock in, guys.
Okay, here we go. System software update features for the PlayStation Portal. And you can find all of the latest updates here. This is version 4.0. So let's get into the bullet points here. We've adjusted the volume level of the speaker. You can now change settings for the PS Link device on PlayStation Portal. Connect your PS Link device to your PlayStation Portal and in the quick menu. And then of course they go on to tell you exactly how to get there. Cloud streaming beta. So this is the big one. It changes your PlayStation Portal from a simple second screen to your PlayStation 5 almost to a PSP-like device. But I will say it's not exactly like that because you don't have physical disc to put in. You'll still be streaming from the cloud, but you don't have to worry about your PS5, which I do like, because what happens if storming at home and power goes out, you can't really use your PlayStation 5 because the power's out. Now it's going to stream directly here as long as you have stable internet connection. And I think that is fantastic, guys. I hope this thing impresses me. It seems like it will, just going on the information I'm gleaning here today. So let's move on. We've improved system software performance and stability. We've improved the message and usability on some screens. Previous system software updates for PlayStation Portal. Okay, we're not looking at that. So this is the hyperlink here. I already clicked it. I already have it on this tab. So let me pull that up. So the additional information, requirements for cloud streaming beta on PlayStation Portal. Of course, they'll tell you what you need to have. You have to have premium. So keep that in mind. If you don't have the premium edition of the PlayStation Plus, it won't work. So keep that in mind. To stream at 720p, it requires a minimum of 7 megabytes per second. To stream at 1080p, it requires a minimum of 13 megabytes per second. That shouldn't be a big deal because everyone has better internet these days. So I wouldn't think too many people have that problem. So that'll be a hurdle you won't even have to jump. It's just there. You'll be good. Of course, this bullet point, 5 megabytes per second to upload and download speeds. So that's just to establish cloud streaming. What else do we have? How to set up cloud streaming beta on the PlayStation Portal. And I'll take you through all of this so you don't have to worry. I'll show you step by step. I just wanted to give you the information that they supplied here on the site. So how to play a streaming game on PlayStation Portal, how to adjust the maximum resolution for streaming, how to close a streaming game, open the quick menu, select close game, what games are available to play on cloud streaming beta on PlayStation Portal. We'll get into that too. I'll show you all of that information. So that's pretty much it for the patch note. Let's get into the system. Here I am downloading the patch to my PlayStation Portal. It took about 8 minutes to get everything downloaded, installed, and completed. So it wasn't too bad, but keep in mind, my internet is rather fast ever since I put in hard lines to my office. So I would expect it to take the shortest amount of time. Some of you guys may have faster internet. Some of you guys may have slower internet, but I am around, I want to say 700 megabytes per second right now, so it's moving pretty quickly. So 8 minutes, it wasn't too bad. Didn't have to wait that long. In order to have the option to enter the beta and stream games to the portal, you must go into the menu, go to settings, and toggle the radio button for cloud streaming to the on position. Then you will have to sign back into the PlayStation network, which you can do using the QR code supplied and the PlayStation app. Here we have all of the games supplied, and perhaps they'll add more with time. It was sort of lackluster, the selection of games, but I'm not complaining because this update is miraculous. But I just wanted to run through the game so you guys would have an idea of what they had to offer here. Last thing I want to bring light to is after clicking on the game, it did take a noticeable amount of time before the game actually started. I know we're streaming directly to the portal, so there is some lag there, but I just wanted to bring awareness to the fact that it will take some time before you can get into the game. Really want to say streaming on the PlayStation Portal is phenomenal. It looks great. I want to apologize about the lint on the screen. It's coming from my gloves. I didn't have time to go back and re-record. We just got a new puppy, so I'm dealing with him, trying to keep him from tearing up everything in the house, but it's going well. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will talk to you later, and please come back and enjoy yourselves today and take care of everybody and yourself. Ladies.